Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to turn off age restriction on Discord. Okay, first things first, open the Discord app on your device. You'll then want to tap on your profile icon, which you can find at the bottom right hand corner. This icon will then take you to your profile page. On your profile page, you'll then notice various options. Just look for the one that says Privacy and Safety and tap on it. This is then the option we are interested in. Now, you'll then see a list of settings related to privacy and safety. The specific option that we are looking for is slightly below. So, just scroll down to find the setting that reads Allow access to age-restricted commands from apps and direct messages. By enabling this option, you will then turn off age restriction on your Discord. Once you have made this change, don't forget to save your settings. Your Discord account then is now set up with age restrictions turned off. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now turn off age restriction on Discord. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.